Skillshare Affiliate Program Review, Usage Experience. Welcome to today's video, where we're going to dive into the Skillshare Affiliate Program and share my experience with it. If you're interested in getting started, be sure to check the links in the description for more details. Skillshare is an online learning platform that focuses on creative skills, offering thousands of classes in topics like graphic design, photography, marketing, writing, and much more. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced professional, Skillshare has courses that can help you level up your skills. Let's talk about the Skillshare Affiliate Program and why it's worth considering for anyone with a relevant audience. The program is simple, yet effective, and it allows you to earn a flat commission for each person who signs up for a free trial through your affiliate link. In my experience, the free trial offer is a huge selling point because it gives your audience a risk-free way to try out the platform before committing. And once they see the wide variety of high-quality classes, many are likely to convert into paying members. Skillshare provides a two-tier affiliate system, meaning you can earn commissions not only for the people you directly refer, but also for those who sign up through your referrals. This adds an extra layer of earning potential as your network grows. Skillshare's affiliate dashboard is user-friendly, making it easy to track clicks, conversions, and commissions. Plus, the 30-day cookie duration ensures that you're credited for sales made within a month of a user clicking your link. One of the best things about promoting Skillshare is the platform's target audience. Skillshare is perfect for anyone in the creative industry, including designers, writers, illustrators, and entrepreneurs. With its massive library of tutorials, Skillshare appeals to individuals looking to enhance their creativity or even start new ventures. This makes the Skillshare affiliate program especially appealing if your audience is into personal development or the creative space. Skillshare also provides banners, links, and other marketing assets, making it easy to promote the platform on your blog, website, or social media channels. The variety of resources allows affiliates to create engaging campaigns that resonate with their audience. To wrap things up, the Skillshare affiliate program is an excellent choice for anyone with a creative, self-improvement-focused audience. With its easy-to-use interface, solid commission structure, and a platform full of valuable classes, it's a program that's well worth promoting. Check out the links in the description to get started, and thanks for watching.